Welcome to Mega Kit. Today we are going to see MK-023 lux meter. Measurement of light intensity is required in many applications such as photography, measurement of environmental parameters such as fog density, dust measurement, humidity, etc. Industrial applications such as flame monitoring, in sports for monitoring sunlight. Optical spectrum is mainly divided into three sections: infrared, ultraviolet and visible. The visible spectrum has wavelength of 380 nanometer to 780 nanometer. The rate of flow of visible radiant energy with respect to the time is called luminance flux and measured in lumen. For light measurement, unit is lux, defined as 1 lumen per square meter. Now let us see how it works. We will give 9 volt DC supply to the circuit. As the light intensity is full, last LED is on. Now we will decrease the light intensity so that the LED will decrease as we go on decreasing the light intensity. As we go on increasing it, the last LED will be on. Let us see the circuit diagram. Here TIL81 phototransistor is used here to measure the light intensity as it gives the voltage output proportionate to the light intensity. The signal level can be set with the help of preset P1. LM3914IC1 is dot bar display driver used here in dot mode. The input signal is fed to input pin 5. Resistor R2 controls the LED current. Preset P2 is used to calibrate the scale. The reference voltage of the chip is between pin 7 and pin 8. LM3914 drives the array of 10 LEDs which lights up in 10 equal steps of the selected full scale. The circuit can be calibrated by using digital lux meter. The unit is capable of measuring the light intensity over wide range. Let us see the part list. Let us see the parts required. PCB MK-023 component side. PCB MK-023 track side, quantity 1 number. IC1 LM3914 display driver with socket, quantity 1 number. T1 TIL81 phototransistor, quantity 1 number. D1 to D10 3 mm red LED, quantity 10 number. R1 R2 1K CFR resistor, quantity 2 number. P1 P2 100K preset, quantity 2 number. Hi, I am Hemant Parab from the Mega Kit, your single point source for all your needs of electronic project kits. For the further details, please contact Dolphin Electronics, C2 second floor, Free Ganesh Building, Gavane Vasti, Bhofri, Pune. My email ID is dolphinproxy@gmail.com. My WhatsApp number is 92255011142. Do like, share and subscribe my channel Mega Kit. Thank you.